Hey guys, it's Colin and welcome back to our Python class. So, today we will definitely be finishing wormy because I just realized we actually only have one function left. So, I guess there's not much to do. But this is probably going to be a really short video, so. Anyways, let's just get right into it, right? So then, def, we are going to have show game over screen. I believe that is what it is called. Let's go up to main again. Well, let's just call it main, right? Show game over screen. So this function is basically nothing, right? It's kind of just like big game over thingy. So then game over font equals pygame.font, right? And then free, yeah, it was called free sans bold, bold.ttf, size 150, and game surf equals game over font dot render game, because we're gonna have two, right? Because this game thingy is really big, so we're gonna have to have it in two lines. So we have one game surf and then one over surf, and then on one game surf will be on top of it, right? So game over font dot render, oh, I need that, over, right? Also true and still white. So now we're gonna have game rect equals game surf dot get rect. Do the same thing with over surf. So over rect equals game, over surf dot get rect. Okay. So now we're gonna set the positions. This time we're gonna use something called a mid top equals window width over 2. We want it in the exact middle, right? So then we're gonna have, so mid top's kind of like the top of it, the midpoint of the top edge. So then exactly in the middle at height 10, and same thing over rect dot mid top equals, this time also in the exact middle window width over 2. This time we're gonna do something a little more complicated. So game dot height plus 10 plus 25. So that's just gonna be the positioning for it. We're gonna split both of them in. So display surf dot split. So game surf at position game rect, right? And then also split in the over surf at position over rect. And then, so now we're also going to draw a press key message, because once the person dies, we want them to be able to play again, right? Oh, wait, hold on. Spelled displacer from. So now pygame.display.update, and then pygame.wait, not time.wait 500. So you just want to wait a little bit, and then we're gonna check for key press. All right, and now we're just gonna wait until the person presses the key. So while true, if check for key press. Oh, we need a tab there. If check for key press, event dot get. So we're gonna clear the cache and then continue. Oh, I want a tab. Return. Oh, that's why. Alright. So we are actually finished. Oh, that's a 5-minute video. It's kind of short. Well, yeah, so we're done with our game. So it's a real short video. Just wanted to finish it off, right? So then if you enjoyed, I guess just subscribe. Yeah, consider subscribing, leave a like, comment. I would really appreciate that. But as always, I don't have much to say except just have fun with this game. Right now that you know how to make a game, you can maybe customize it, even consider making multiple other games, right? So this is just like a basic things for you. But I hope you have taken interest in coding and Python in general, right? So then maybe this series has inspired you to maybe take coding a little more serious, right? But anyways, I don't have much else to say, so this is our final Python video. So, bye guys.